If we go down, then we go down together. We'll get away with everything. Let's show them we are better.
Boo! Did I scare you? I did, didn't I? Anyways, hey guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. So, today I figured, you know what, it's October. It's been October for like, you know, like 9 days. I don't know how many days. I don't know what day it is today. I don't know anything. I'm stupid.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Anyways, it's dark, it's spooky, it's dangerous. I don't know what I'm saying anymore, low-key. So yeah, I am super excited because I figured this was perfect for Halloween because, you know, but yeah, I thought this was the perfect look for fall. So yeah, if you guys want to achieve this look, let's get onto the video. Okay guys, so I already finished my foundation, my concealer, and my eyebrows, so I'm going to be moving on to my contour and my powder. So I'm taking out my Masters contour kit. Okay guys, the next thing I'm going to do is grab out my Airspun Loose Face Powder, and I am just going to bake my face. Okay guys, now that we are done baking our face, it is time for eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using both the Naked Urban Decay Heat and the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palettes. So the first thing we're going to be doing is taking out our Naked Heat, and I'm taking the color En Fuego and just putting that on my crease. And then next I'm going to be taking the color Ashes and then just also putting that on top of En Fuego on my crease. And then I'm going to be taking a brush like this, just a smaller brush, and going back into the color Ashes, and then just putting that on my eyelid, and I'm just going to be putting it on the inner corner and the outer corner. Now I'm taking the color Ounce, and I'm just going to be putting that on my brow bone. Okay guys, now it's time to grab out our concealer. I am using the Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer. And I'm just going to be applying this in the center of my eyelid because we are obviously doing a halo eye look. This is where we take out the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. And we are going to be using the color Chocolate Gold. It is this very, very, like, bright gold. Like, it is perfect for this look. I'm taking my brush and just putting that in the center of my eye. And then I'm just going to go back into the Naked Heat palette and grabbing the color Ashes again and just really making sure that they're pigmented when putting it on my eyelid. Okay guys, so I'm just wiping off my powder. And now it is time for under eyes. Okay guys, so I am going to be rubbing out my Naked Heat palette again, and I'm going to be using the color Ashes, and I'm just going to be putting that underneath my eyes, about halfway. And then we're just going to be using the color Chocolate Gold the rest of the way. Okay guys, now it is time for eyeliner. I am taking out my NYX Professionals, That's the Point, in the color Hella Fine. And I'm just going to be drawing a wing. Okay, so now that we have this eye done, I'm just going to quickly do my other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Okay guys, now I'm using my lashes. I'm going to be using the 120s, these really wispy ones. So I'm just going to grab my glue and, you know, put it on my lashes and wait for it to get tacky and then apply them. Okay guys, while we are waiting for my lashes to dry, I'm going to be getting out my highlighter, and I'm actually using a different one today. I've used this before though. The Revlon's Photo Ready Instafix highlighting stick. This one isn't the best, but it's gold, so it goes kind of like with the look. So I'm just gonna, you know, sacrifice, I guess. It's not terrible actually, but like, you know, it's not good either. It's got a little shine. It's got a little shine. I'll allow it. Okay guys, now it is time for blush. So I'm taking out my Master Contour Kit, and this is by Maybelline New York. And I'm applying some blush. Okay, so my lashes should be dry now, so I am just going to curl them. And now it is time for mascara. I am using the Lash Sensational Maybelline New York. Okay guys, so the final task is putting on lipstick, and I'm using the Too Faced Melted Matte, and this is in the color Wine Not. Get it? It's the pun. No? Okay, I'm just gonna put it on now. Oof, it's stuck. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any video ideas, please comment them down below, and I will try my hardest to do them. And remember, I post videos every single Friday.